everyone, it's Sammy from Sammy's Sweet Life, and I am going to show you guys a quick little tiny hack that I am doing for this layout. I really wanted the title to say New Friends, and I have a couple of different fonts. This one it spells out everything except I don't have a D, and I thought about combining it with this one, but I felt like it was a little too bright for the layout, and I really wanted it to be all with one font, so it's, you know, kind of a tone on tone with this background. And so I decided to hack my own D out of this layout. I've done the same thing before where I cut pieces of letters to change them and use them how I need it. One of them is an easy hack to make an I. You can just cut off, you know, an edge on anything with a straight line. I have also taken a Z before and just turned it to be an N. You can also, if you run out of E's, a lot of times you can turn the 3's and make it into an E like that. But today I'm making a D, and now I have to create it out of other letters. And so I thought the C had a really good curve on it, except the ends were a little bit pointy. I ended up taking one of the C's and cutting it straight down. And so that got me the curvy part of my D. And now I need the line part. I ended up grabbing one that has a straight line, which was a K. And again, I just chopped it down. Here's the other part of the K. Chopped it down, and now I have the letter D. And of course, it's not perfect, but it will do the job. Look at that. It's a letter D. So I'm gonna stick this on my layout with my title, New Friends. I can sacrifice 2 letters that I wasn't gonna use to make 1 letter that I actually wanted to use. And there you go. There's my little letter hack. You could be really creative with letters to try to make the letter. You definitely have to think outside the box sometimes to get the letters to work for you. I find with these alpha sets, it's really a challenge when you get down to where you're missing just like 1 letter or 2 and you can't get your title made. Sometimes you can hack it. So I wanted to share that with you. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. I am using my February scrap kit, which I unboxed for you guys recently. I'll link that down below for you guys. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.